Bago ko nga favorite. I don't know. Grabe akong cravings. Wala ko gusto nga. Char. So, let's eat. Tomato with cucumber with chili garlic oil, our kitchen, tapos with a little soy sauce. Super spicy. Mama. Ubos. Ha? Sarap.